Hey guys, Jason Roberts here again. I just want to invite you to my all-day workshop that's coming up. Guys, I'm going to take like a 4-day boot camp that I teach and put it all into one day and cover a whole bunch of really cool real estate investing strategies. It's going to be easy to follow, it's going to be easy to implement, it's not going to be an overwhelming thing, but I'm going to teach you guys some stuff that you've never seen before. I'm going to teach you how a student of mine is just absolutely killing it right now with probate deals, and not only how he's killing it, but how he's finding the data that no one else is finding, the marketing piece that he's using that's working better than anybody else's marketing piece. I'm going to break down his business step by step and show you guys how you can implement it in your own market. I'm going to do the same with this local bank strategy. I have a coaching student in Iowa, in the middle of Iowa, who's just killing it right now. He's bought 76 houses in the last 2 years from this strategy, and I went up and met with him, and he just sat down and I went step by step with him. Where are you getting the data? How are you sending the letter? What's your email campaign look like? All the different things that he's doing, and with his permission, package it up so I can share it with you guys. I'm also going to share with you, we just got done doing a 4-day short sale wealth boot camp here in St. Louis. And I have a coaching student of mine who has done, at a minimum, he does one deal a month, and for the last 14 months straight, that one deal a month he's done has netted him at least $100,000 per deal. I didn't believe it either until I looked at the HUDs myself. Everybody says short sales are dead and that you can't do them anymore. I have coaching students all over the country who are still doing well with short sales. This guy is working a couple hours a day, 100 grand a pop, month after month after month after month. I'm going to show you exactly how he's doing that and how you can do it too. I'm also going to share with you a lease option strategy that one of my students has built over $800,000 in equity and over $6,000 a month in positive cash flow with none of his own money, no risk, no nothing. And these are guys that I work with individually, that I personally coach. And then finally, I'm going to show you guys how to automate this stuff. I'm going to show you how, if you have a full-time job, if you're working 40, 50 hours a week already, that you can turn on 1 or 2 of these modules. I want to show you all of them so that you can pick out 1 or 2 things that you say, you know what, I'm really interested in that. That's the one I want to do. So I want to show you how they all work and what they all do. And then I want to show you how to implement 1 or 2 of those in just a couple hours a day, or maybe even a couple hours a week for that matter, and how you can work yourself out of that full-time job, or how you can build more wealth, how you can cash some big checks in a little amount of time and make this year the biggest income producing year that you've ever had. I look forward to seeing you guys. I've got a lot to teach. Come out to the workshop, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.